Section 10, Light Units. Here we have a broadleaf chamber. To fit the broadleaf chamber light unit, first remove the radiation shield by loosening the 2 captive screws. Next, pull to remove the PAR sensor, which can hang by the side of the chamber. Here is the light unit. Lift the metal tab at the back to run it along the 2 tracks either side of the upper jaw. The cable must be connected to the extension cable provided in the carry case. Connect like so, and connect the other end to the LCi T console. The extension cable connects to the jack socket port here. Use the cable tidy provided and cut to a suitable length. There is an application tool also provided with which you can tidy the longer light unit cable to the handle cord. Enter the Configure menu and select TRW, the window transmission factor. Here it must be set to allow the light unit to be connected and the changes in radiation given to the leaf that causes. Change to a value of 0.92 for the broad light unit to be fitted. Confirm this setting, and now all calculations will be correct. Set the total PAR for the white, or in this case RGB light unit. For an RGB light unit, set Q percentage red, percentage green, and percentage blue. Then set the Q total in absolute values. This is an LC Pro T example, setting PAR with an RGB light unit using the same method. By selecting the PAR option, you can enter an actual value rather than a percentage ratio. This is given in micromole per meter squared per second. By using PAR, you can change the ratio values by a different method, unless you only change Q total, in which case the previously set ratio will remain as set. These 2 different options of setting the light unit allow great versatility when setting experimental programs.